Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today I will show you a makeup for blue eyes. I'm beginning the makeup with Micell cleansing water. I'm trying to clean the face before applying all other products. As my model has dry skin, I'm applying hydrating primer all over the face with a blending brush. And I'm applying also more product around the eyes, as the eyes area is really dry. I will hydrate her lips now with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. It's a very nice product with hyaluronic acid. I will apply now Longwear foundation in shade 1Y35. It's a slightly yellowish shade. I'm using a fluffy brush as I want a very thin layer and a flawless result. Next step is the concealer. I will use two different shades. The first is perfect to correct the dark under eye area. Is a peachy shade 4R30. I'm applying it just in the deepness of the eyes. The second shade is N15. I'm using it as a highlighter. I'm applying it in the middle of the face and over the cheekbones and under eye area. I will set the makeup now with Setting Smooth Loose Powder in shade 1Y35. I'm using a very small amount of powder as my model has very dry skin and it is not good to overload the skin with powder. I will contour the face now with Velvet Matte Bronzer, the shade DIVA. I'm contouring over the forehead, under the cheekbones and also the both sides of the chin and nose. For a natural shadow on eyes, I'm applying the product in the crease of the eyes and I'm contouring also the lips to create more volume. I will use now Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Naked. The texture is so soft and is not drying out the skin. That's why I like this product to use as a tint for the eyes, as a liquid blush and also as a long-wearing lipstick. I will use now an eye primer. I'm applying it over the eyelids with a blending brush. Now it's time for eyes makeup. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette, NUDE GLAM. I'm beginning with the brown shade from the palette. I'm trying first to create an eyeliner. And the second step, I'm blending the eyeliner and I'm creating a cut crease. I'm blending the harsh lines with a blending brush. To intensify the look, I'm using a black eyeshadow. To create more glamorous eyes, I'm applying Pearl Pigment Brown Sugar on the eyelids. I'm using for this a flat brush. With the same brown shade from the palette, I'm creating a smoked shadow on the lower eyelids. To complete the look, apply a mascara. For the eyebrows, I'm using the top shade from NUDE GLAM palette. And at the end, I'm styling the eyebrows with a comb. I'm highlighting the skin with Pearl Pigment Sensation. I'm going over the cheekbones and middle of the face. And I'm highlighting also the inner corner to create more bigger eyes. I will apply now our very new product, Crystal Lip Gloss. The product will be launched soon and I'm very excited already. My model is ready now. Here you can see the before and the after result. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.